no sound, reduced sound, or intermittent sound. If you cannot hear sound through your hearing aid, if the sound comes and goes, or is quieter than normal, there are 3 common reasons for this. 1. A battery problem. 2. A blockage or bend in the tubing. 3. A fault in the hearing aid. Check the battery. Open the battery compartment and check the battery is the correct way up. Try changing the battery once from a fresh packet if you have one. Check for blockages. Check there is no obvious blockage either in or at the end of the tubing. If you see moisture or debris in the tube, it will need to be cleared. Faulty hearing aid. If the problem has not been resolved by any of these tips, there may be a fault. Contact your hearing centre as soon as possible.